Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel A Lifestyle with Nazo. This is Nazish Malik. I hope you all are doing well. So कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? पूरा एक हफ्ता हो गया बात नहीं हुई, तो आई थॉट कि आज व्लॉग बनाते हैं और उसमें बात करते हैं यू नो द hot topic of all the social media and in entertainment about the Netflix show हीरा मंडी. तो बड़ा काफ़ी अरसे से इंतज़ार था एंड फाइनली दिस आई थिंक this Friday Noor and I watched हीरा मंडी on Netflix. So I thought let's give a honest and genuine review about हीरा मंडी. तो इसलिए आज मैंने जनाब ये झुमके पहने हैं एंड आई वाज लाइक यू नो सिंस वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट हीरा मंडी तो व्हाई डोंट वी you know let's dress up in our traditional outfit. So let's give a honest and genuine review about हीरा मंडी. So guys, नूर और मैंने हीरा मंडी देखा and I kid you not, हमने I think within 1 to 2 days we finished all 8 episodes. So हुआ ये कि you know from its trailer it was looking really rich. Zahir hai if it's directed by Sanjay Leela Bhansali, so we have all seen his work, so it obviously would bring in a lot of culture, a lot of tradition, you know, music and then dances, classical music and then dances and rich colors and architecture. So when the story started, it was like this was the story of the wife who used to live in Lahore in 1930s. So me being from Lahore, so you know, I'm sure all the people in Pakistan would have connected with it, especially people who live in Lahore. So that was the first connection that I made with the show, and बहुत ही I think ज़बरदस्त किस्म के costumes थे. I think it's some Punjabi designer. We did some research. They have done the whole costumes of all the actresses. Or the architecture is so pretty, and the props and everything like chandeliers, and I was just also looking the furniture they have used in it just looks like it's from that era, 1930s 1940s. Or the main actresses like Manisha Koirala and then Aditya Roy, I think that's what her name is, Rao. And then my most favorite characters were, of course, Tajdar and Alamzeb in the show. They have shown इतनी खूबसूरत and उनकी cute chemistry on screen. It is just so like mesmerizing. Or the carriages they have shown, and it's not just story about the wife. It goes deep to like then they have connected history with it, or you know the British time, and then how people started getting awareness, and then how the revolution started against British people, and so it's all about that. And the ending was so good. तो नूर और मैं वही डिस्कस कर रहे थे जब हमने सारा शो देख लिया. तो आई वॉज टेलिंग नूरी के you know my mom used to have clothes like those, वो कम ख्वाब के और जामावार और शिफोन, वो सारे. So वो जो कम ख्वाब और जॉर्जेट और जामावार के वो जो कपड़े हैं, मैं नूर को बता रही थी कि मेरी अम्मी के पास वो सब जोड़े होते थे, you know, in her जहेज when she got married. तो वो मैंने देखे हुए हैं. So वो सारा rich culture and fabric and the jewelry so authentic that they have shown from that era. It is so beautiful. So, or you know, it's so okay to watch it with your family. That's the best part. It's not like vulgar. It does not have bad scenes as much. Music is very beautiful, and the main role of Tajdar, I don't know his name, I'm sorry, but that was really attractive. So I thought कि so whenever I go on Instagram, whenever I open social media, all I see is reels about Hira Mandi and all of that. So I thought कि let's make a vlog and let's talk about it. That's why I wore my jumcas. तो कल मैं अपनी अम्मी से भी बात कर रही थी, तो अम्मा को मैं बता रही थी कि यू हैव टू वॉच दिस शो, क्योंकि इतने मज़े की स्टोरी है, इतने मज़े का वो जो मुझे वैसे ही आई रियली लव शोज़ फ्रॉम द टाइम in 1930s, 1920s, you know, it's more like it attracts you towards that. उस टाइम पे जो चीज़ें थी, उस टाइम पे तो कल्चर था, उस टाइम पे जो हमारी रवायात थी, वो सब अब बहुत ऐसा ख़त्म हो गई हैं, बहुत सारी तो ख़त्म हो गई हैं. तो उसमें वो उन्होंने दिखाया है कि तहज़ीब, आदाब और किस तरह स्पेशली द गर्ल्स हाउ दे यूज्ड टू बी ट्रेन्ड, उनको कैसे कल्चर के बारे में, तहज़ीब के बारे में सिखाया जाता था. तो दैट वाज वेरी नाइस फॉर माय डॉटर टू सी कि इस तरह चीज़ें हुआ करती थी, किस तरह हमारा कल्चर इतना रिच था. तो दूसरा उसमें पाकिस्तान का ज़िक्र है, लाहौर का ज़िक्र है, बीच में मरी का भी ज़िक्र था एक्चुअली, द हिली एरिया ऑफ पाकिस्तान. तो आई वुड गिव इट लाइक 10/10. इट इज़ सो ब्यूटिफुल शो. सो अगर तो आपने नहीं देखा हीरा मंडी ऑन नेटफ्लिक्स, गो एंड वॉच इट. इट्स वर्थ वॉचिंग. और मेरा तो दिल कर रहा था कि आई शुड वॉच इट सेकेंड टाइम, क्योंकि इतना मुझे मज़ा आया है और मेरा हाथ थक चुके हैं, क्योंकि मेरा ये जो रिमोट है ये मेरा काम नहीं कर रहा. आई डोंट नो व्हाई, सो आई हैव टू होल्ड द फोन विद माई हैंड. बट the story is amazing, the lesson is amazing, actresses have done and actors have done wonderful job, or every character is so deep and it's so like nicely done. They all have done justice to their work. So hats off to the whole team for giving us such a beautiful, such a rich and such a full of entertainment show. And plus the good thing is that it brings people from India and Pakistan together. So that can only happen through entertainment and through entertainment industry. So that's all for today. I just wanted to have some traditional cultural get-up. और आज संडे है and I had a very nice weekend. कल फिर back to work. So we are very close to summer break. I'm really anxiously waiting for that. Or a lot of fun things to do in summer, a lot of tasks to be done. So अपना ख्याल रखें, अपने घर वालों का ख्याल रखें, and if you have Netflix, do go watch Hira Mandi. It's amazing show. And take care. See you in the next vlog. Bye.